All right, so we are here in China, Yiwu, I believe, and we just got some Starbucks. They have Starbucks here in China. We got Uber coming, and we are going to head over to the market. I think we're going to try to get some SIM cards and figure out how to use the Wi-Fi out here, because a lot of the things that we're used to in the U.S. are not allowed over here. You can't use Facebook, you can't use Instagram, no WhatsApp, no YouTube, no Google. So, you know, we're obviously going to try to figure that out. So this is the day one of our Chinese vacation.
Largest markets in the world right here. We're in Yiwu right now. Me and Brian.
We are in Yiwu.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, we're in Yiwu right now.
This is one of the largest markets
in the world.
In the world?
In the world, actually.
Okay,
I think
cool.
India might be a little bit bigger, maybe.
No, I don't think so.
No? Okay, our cameraman who's actually, so we got the cameraman who's actually our business partner here in China. He actually holding the camera. So he said, no, this is the biggest in the world. So yeah, this is the biggest in the world. You can see. I mean, it goes down for miles. You just want to show them pan that way. It just goes for miles and miles.
And we're gonna go check this out. What are we looking for here?
Yeah, we're looking to see what the hottest products that are being sold all over the world, right?
We're hoping to find some good stuff and bring it back to the States. And
bring it back to the States and sell them on Facebook.
Sell it on Facebook.
That easy.
Yeah.
So let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. What's up, everybody? I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and I am here in China in Yiwu, and we are just about ready to walk into this magical-looking market of just about anything you could ever imagine. So follow me along as we go in and search some products and get ready to fill our stores.
He wants to taste it, bro. Good.
Big muscles. So it's pretty crazy out here. Basically everywhere we go, I see Range Rovers, Mercedes, Audis. I even see Chevrolets and Fords. Kind of funny that we see all these in China, the American-made cars and whatnot. Pretty cool. All right, so I am walking here in Yiwu, China, and it's kind of interesting to see all these little shops and stuff in these little crevices. Pretty much every building has all these little sort of like small retail spaces, I guess if you say. Retail in China, I'm not sure what the word is, but you got everything from like, you know, the belt guy to the electric guy to the bearing guy to the tire guy, and everybody's got these little shops here. You can see back here, this is like, you know, real deal China here. It's pretty crazy to see. But there's a ton of mopeds everywhere. And of course, when you have mopeds, you gotta have the guys that can fix the mopeds. And there's plenty of places to eat around here. Some interesting cuisine, to say the least. But it's pretty funny. See guys out here just repairing tires in the middle of the street. We're gonna be passing a little repair shop here. There's all kinds of crazy electric scooters. I've never seen so many scooters in my life, especially these kind over here that are like, you know, the ones with like all these weird springs. You can see in the background here, all these little shops. We got like, here's an open space here. Looks like something's going in there sooner or later. We got some local Chinese friends. Hello, everybody. Say hello. So everybody here is just out here chilling in their shops, fixing stuff, selling their products. It's pretty interesting to see. It's definitely a little different than what you see in Las Vegas, that's for sure. So we got dogs chilling out on the streets over here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Didn't expect to see all this in China, so it's definitely a change of pace. You certainly don't have your Home Depots over here, or your Lowe's, your big brand stores to go and get all the stuff you need for your repairing your house and your scooter and whatnot. You have everything in these little shops. How you doing, guys? Hello, hello. So everybody's kind of looking at me a little funny. I don't see anybody filming YouTube videos because they don't even have YouTube over here. So, but all good. We figured out a way to get around that with a VPN. All right, so earlier today we had some real Chinese food. I mean, this is at the market in Yiwu, China, and honestly, it was pretty good. Wasn't my favorite, but it's definitely the real deal. Like, I don't think it can get any more real than where we were today in Yiwu, China. There was pretty much nobody of American descent that I saw there. There was some other nationalities that I saw, like guys from India and Europe and stuff that were there shopping for their stores and Ecom stores and whatnot. But we actually were pretty much the only American people that I saw today in Yiwu, China. So it's pretty interesting. Roll the B-roll, check out the meal we had today in Yiwu at the market. Alright, so I'm standing here in front of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC, which is obviously in America, Kentucky is a state in the United States. So I'm trying to find out if anybody here in Yiwu, China knows what KFC means. I think it'll be pretty funny. Most of the people here don't speak any English, so it's going to be hard fun to find someone who can understand what I'm saying. And then if I can find someone, I want to know if they know what Kentucky means. Well, I'm still trying here, and so far I've asked about 15 people, and nobody speaks English, so having a harder time than I thought here. But sooner or later, I think I'm going to find someone that actually speaks a little bit of English. All right, well, we are in hardcore China here, and I am in front of the KFC, as you can see, but unfortunately, nobody speaks English around here, and I've been trying to find someone that can actually talk to me in English, because I don't speak any Chinese, but no luck so far. I'll keep trying over the course of this vacation. I'm going to go over to Shanghai tomorrow, and it should be kind of interesting to see if anybody knows what KFC stands for. Obviously, if you're from the States and you were around in the 80s and 90s before it was uncool to talk about fried and Kentucky in the same sentence, you'd know that KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken, and obviously Kentucky is a state in the United States, but I just was dying to find out if anybody over here actually knew what KFC meant, but nobody speaks English, so no dice today, but we will keep trying. Hope you guys enjoyed today. I am the Marketing Meathead from Yiwu, China. We'll talk to everybody later. Thank you.